Hey guys, what's up? My name is Aniket and welcome back to another video. So in this video, we are going to talk about search engine optimization, or just for the sake of comfort, we can say SEO. So it's going to be a really interesting video. So without wasting any further time, let's begin. So search engine optimization, or SEO, it is the practice of increasing your website's visibility on search engine result pages. With great SEO, you could have ton of organic traffic on your website. In digital marketing, SEO is considered the most important factor, and it's that factor you must keep a check on if you are making a career in digital marketing. If you are doing blogging, SEO is the most important factor that you need to keep a check on. So now arises the question, why is SEO so important? So we're going to discuss this in detail. So whenever you type something in search engine, let's say Google. So whenever you type in something in Google, it's basically a keyword. For example, I type digital marketing. So digital marketing is a keyword. If I type what is digital marketing, so what is digital marketing is also a keyword. So if you write articles on a blog, you know what a keyword is, right? So whenever you type any keyword on Google, you displayed a number of web pages that contain that keyword and they have articles on it. For instance, I search digital marketing and I get these results. So as you can see, there are many web pages. So have you ever wondered why there are a lot of web pages on the first page? And also if you go below, you'd see some numbers. So these numbers are indexes. So on the first page, there are some websites that contain the word digital marketing. On the second page, they also have websites that contain the keyword digital marketing, as a third, fourth, and it goes on. So as you can see, there are a lot of web pages that write articles on digital marketing. So why are some websites on the first page and some are on the second? This is the magic of SEO. With SEO, you could place your website on the first page of Google and at a higher rank, so that whenever someone types a keyword, and if you have written article on that keyword, your website would come first and the user would click on that and you get more views on your blog. So this is the magic of SEO. So now arises a second question. How are these websites placed, or how are these websites decided? What factors they keep a check on, and then they decide which website should rank first or which website should rank second. But before that, we need to understand, how does a search engine bring so many web pages from the World Wide Web? You know, World Wide Web is a very huge network. There are billions, trillions of web pages. But how does a search engine brings the exact web pages that we want? So basically, they use an algorithm and a software that is known as a crawler. So whenever you type something on a search engine, let's say Google, whenever you type something on Google, a crawler goes and takes out all that web pages that contains that particular keyword you have searched for. Let's say I search for digital marketing. So the crawler goes to the World Wide Web, it collects all the web pages that contains that word digital marketing, and then it brings back to Google. Now, when it brings back to Google servers, it brings in the form of zeros and ones. And now why zeros and ones? Because this is a language that computer understands. We're going to discuss this more further in another video, but for this video, you just understand that it brings the information in the form of zeros and ones. This is the language that a computer understands. Then it forms an index of web pages, and then an algorithm is applied. So this algorithm has a lot of factors that decide this website should go on top, this website should go on bottom, this should go on the second page, this should go on the third page. So every search engine has different algorithms based on their ranking, but we know that Google is the most popular search engine, so we can focus on that only right now. So Google applies its algorithms and you get your desired web pages on the first page, second page, third page, and it goes on. So now coming to the factors that determines your web page or your blog ranking on Google. You see, there are a lot of factors that determines the rank, but we're gonna discuss some because there are so many factors that we can't discuss in one video, and also there are some factors which you can't modify or change. So I just give you 5 common factors that every search engine uses to rank your blog or article on the top. So the first one is right keyword. So whenever you do blogging or start blogging, Finding a right keyword is the most difficult task. They say writing a blog post is difficult. No, finding a good keyword is the most difficult task. There are a lot of tools that help you to find the right keywords for your article, but most of the tools are paid tools. So now you have to be very focused on finding the right keyword, because if you choose the common keywords, already there are many blog posts that rank on the first page of Google, and you cannot be placed on the first page of Google because it's very hard to beat them, because the SEO is really good. So now there are a lot of tools that you can use that can find the right keyword for you. There is SEMrush, Ahrefs, Mongoose, and there are a lot of tools, but these are paid tools and they're quite expensive. So as a beginner, if you don't have budget, you cannot buy them, right? It costs like 7,000 rupees per month. So it's really, all the basic plan costs 7,000 rupees per month. So it's really expensive. So there is a tool that's a very magical tool. All the beginners use it when they're starting a blog. They use it, and I personally use it on my blog. That is Ubersuggest. It's a really great tool to find keywords, and it's absolutely free. If you want tutorial in Ubersuggest, you just go to YouTube and search for Ubersuggest tutorial. You'd find many videos, and you can use that tool to find the right keywords. So the second factor is length of the article. This is a very important factor that Google keeps a check on. Length of the article is really important. Your article should not be very short, or it should not be very long. In my opinion, your article should be more than 600 words and less than 3000 words. You can go further 3000 words, but what happens is, whenever you write on a topic, don't go off topic of that. It would confuse the user who is reading a blog on a particular topic. So he would just go away or never come back to your blog. So basically, whatever topic you're writing, don't go off topic for a longer article. Try to focus on that topic, give more information on that topic, and try to maintain it between 600 to 3000 words. It would be fair enough, but don't write less than 600 words. So now the third one is duplicate content. Duplicate content is a very important thing. Don't ever try to copy someone's content and paste it on your website and just upload it. So the fourth one is backlinks. So now I have explained backlinks in a previous video. I have the link below in the description. You can go ahead and see what are backlinks, but you know basically what backlinks are. So you need to build good quality backlinks so that the website who has more number of good quality or high quality backlinks, it ranks really high. And last, the fifth one is mobile optimization. As you know, now more than users of mobile are more than computer. So now people use mobile for all their tasks on a daily basis. So if your website is not mobile friendly or mobile optimized, people would find very difficult to read your blog or use your website on mobile. Now in the end, I just want to say that there are a lot of courses available, SEO, paid courses, free courses. You can search on YouTube SEO courses and you would get that. But the main key point here is practice. The more you practice SEO, the more you get expert in it. Buy a domain, buy a hosting, make a website, and start writing articles and focus on SEO. And in that process, you would eventually learn how SEO works. And if you make another website, then you can go further and become an expert in that. But first, practice is the main thing, and just get started. So this was the video on SEO. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any doubt, then leave it in the comment section. I'll reply to you as soon as possible. You can follow me on all my social media. All the social media handles are linked down below. And also like this video, share this video. And if you want such more content, then please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.